guys, sorry I have not filmed like in a long time, but yeah, I have a box opening to do today, it's so cute. I love it so much. This is, I got this at Five Below for $5. It's called My Puppy. As you can see, its name is Fluffy, but I'm probably going to change it. And it is so tiny and cute. And I just love it so. And it does require batteries, but I don't really want to put them in right now because I like it better without. So do you need scissors for this? Or can you just pull it open? Oh, you can just pull this open too. That's another thing that's really nice about it. That you can just pull the box open. So, oh my gosh, this is hard. So, next, after you open the box, you can just basically take the puppy out. So, this poor little puppy's paws are stuck in these holes. Poor puppy, right? Oh, this is so cute. It's so soft too. I wish you guys could feel this. It's just so soft too. Here, you can feel it. So soft, and look at this. So cute. And if you don't know, tomorrow's Mallory's birthday, so this probably will be a present for her. It will be pretty much for her and all the babies, so it's stiffen the camera. I'm actually gonna change its name to Sparkles. Or this is gonna be a girl, cause Sparkles. Oh my god, this squeaks. It's so funny. Watch when you pull the head. It's so funny. It's like squeak, squeak. I probably won't use the barking too much in like my skits and stuff because that's pretty unrealistic. Like a squeaking dog. Like squeaking dog. Like what? It's a squeaking dog. But the mouth does open a little. But this is just so soft and so cute. And here's the place where you put the batteries. And yeah, so I probably will make like a skit about this dog later. But I still gotta do my homework too, which I just have to read a chapter of the book. Just pretty easy. It's so. Are you telling them to like and subscribe? Yeah. Watch what he can do. Wag his tail a little. He can like move this, I think. So what does he do? He walks, prances, and barks. I don't know what prances is. Maybe he does this. What's that? Because he comes back down. Oops. Because he comes back down very nicely. But, yeah. Sorry, I just got a notification. But, yeah. I'm going to tell them. He said, please, or she said, please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know if you think our new little puppy or new addition to the family is very cute. And funny story and true story, my real dog is actually scared of this. But yeah.